This is a Croft product. This is the Croft 6348 COV57B, and it's this stepped cushion doorknob on a raised edge covered rose. So this is the product code D3521, and the shade that this is in is the antique nickel. As you can see, it's a beautiful shade. So the diameter of the knob is 57 millimeters. The height is 52 millimeters. And the protrusion is 60 millimeters. The thickness of the rose is 5 millimeters. Each inner rose is supplied with 3 wood screws, as you can see just here. So they're well hidden and disguised to attach to your door. It's made to the very highest of standards, as you can tell from the traditional design, and also the weight. They're all individually handmade, and they'd be a beautiful addition to any door in your home. We do many different shades that you can choose from, so just have a look in the selection on our website. And the code of this product was the D3521.